Morning student, today's topic is how a thunderstorm become a cyclone. The first point is formation of a cyclone involve the following steps. First, the heated air above the sea rises up with a lot of moisture in it. Water vapors contain heat energy. When this hot air laden with moisture reaches the upper cooler region of atmosphere, the vapor condenses to form water vapors. Latent heat of steam is released, which heats up the surrounding air. The heated air becomes lighter and rises up further, which produces low pressure region. More air rushes towards the center of the low pressure. This air starts rotating and take the shape of huge spiral. Center of the cyclone is cloudless and calm, but wind around the center may have a speed of around 200 to 260 km per hour. Now this is the diagram that it shows the formation of a cyclone, how the cyclone is formed. According to it, it is easy to understand. Now the next topic, that it is destruction caused by cyclone, that we will continue in the next class. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.